Hey, it's ClayTrader, and we're looking at Facebook here. Market just opened. We're still within the first 2 minutes of the day. Would like to try to go long here at some point. You can see it's been pretty brutal at the get-go, and just looking for some sort of long position. Need to let things settle down a little bit more, but I will. This is what I'm looking at right now. Out of all the stocks on my watch list, Facebook has the most of my attention, so I'll see if I can get a trade in here and catch it live. We're not real sure on an entry point at this point, but I will keep you posted. I should note that I like to play Facebook just for 5-cent moves. When you're at 1,500 shares, 5 cents can come pretty quick, and that's 75 bucks, not a whole lot, but 75 bucks 3 or 4 times really starts to add up. So that's how I usually like to play Facebook. All the stocks, you'll learn to play them with different ways, but I just like going 1,500 shares, 5 cents on Facebook, and then try to do that multiple times if the opportunity presents itself. So that's how I'll be looking to play this one. Get in at an area and then go for just a 5-cent scalp. Okay, I have an order into short at 60.35. You're getting some strength here, so I'm hoping for a quick bounce up and then have it just roll back over. The trend here is down, so I'm shorting into what's hopefully just going to be some sort of miniature dead cat bounce, if it can even get up there. But that's where I'm at right now. If it continues to roll back over, maybe I'll look to flip to the long side. But I'm not going to chase this thing on the short side here because I don't want to get myself caught in some sort of snapback, dead cat bounce that ends up causing me to have to get out. So that's my current strategy right now. Looking to short into any sort of upwards move here, but we'll see if that takes place or not. All right, really falling apart. I have an order in at 58.85. The reason for that is I think if it breaks below 59, it's really going to shoot down quickly, and then I'm hoping for a snapback. 5-minute chart already super overextended, so I might get a little bit more aggressive on my purchase. But first, just want to see if it does come down here and breaks through the 59. So that'll be what I'll give it a little bit of time to do. But if it doesn't and it's able to hold up around here, then, well, here we go. You can see 58.85 is where I'm looking to get in at. So it just needs to come down a little bit more. I'm in, and wow, out. Just like that. As soon as I bought and then sold, I mean, you saw how fast that was. I was in and out in less than a second, $135. So that is the power of, picking these areas of, these entry areas. I'm going to look to, let's try this again for another 1,500 at, wow, that was crazy. And now it's bouncing back up already. So just to recap that, I got in at 58.85, got out at 58.94, and you saw as soon as I hit the sell button, I was already out, and I made $135, and basically that was literally a second. You saw it right there. So I'm not sure that's ever quite happened, but I am not complaining. So I'll see if I can get another entry point here and catch it on video. Okay, I have another order in at 58.25. We'll see if it can get down there. You may be thinking, why are you going long when this thing is absolutely falling apart? Well, this thing is so overextended to the downside that, I mean, at some point it's got to get at least a little dead cat bounce. So that kind of does tilt things in my favor a little bit. You can see a little bit of a move right here. So yeah, I'm trading against the trend, but I'm also, the trend is in my favor in a kind of backwards type of way, just because this is so overextended here to the downside. So currently at 58.25 right now, I'm not looking like that's going to get filled, but that's where my order is now. I will keep you posted. Might look to go short here if it starts to show a little bit more strength, but we will see what happens. Okay, I'm going for another long entry at 58.10. And then, like always, I'm just going to go for that 5-cent move. Went down as low as 58.14. Bouncing back up. Well, I'll come back if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Trying to keep the video as short as possible. Okay, I now have a short order in actually at 59, looking to try to shorten into some strength here. Not sure if it's going to get up there or not, but if it does, you know, I like the opportunity to at least get a 5-cent move out of it. So we shall see. Making some progress here. That's good. All right. Well, I'm going to pause it. I will keep you posted. Okay, looking like we might get filled here. Well, it was working its way up. Let's see if it can work its way up just a little bit more. All right, here we go. Not in. Now I am in. 58.95 is, and I'm out. So just like that, you saw, very fast move. And now I'm up 210. So that one was what, 75 bucks in I don't know, 2 or 3 seconds. So and that's, you know, that's what I'm trying to do. I'll probably look to go short here some more, but I'll just wrap up the video now. Getting a little long anyways. So if you liked what you saw here and want to learn more how to do this, it's all about technical analysis, all about charts, and I offer courses on this. If you go to my blog, ClayTrader.com, and go to the store, multiple courses. If you're brand new to charts, robotic trading is the course that you would want. Get a firm foundation. Then also maybe you're already experienced, whether you're a day trader or swing trader. I have a private trading group. We have traders of all experience levels and all strategy types. We have a live chat room so you can hang out with me and other traders during the day. Stay on top of stocks like this that are breaking out or bouncing or whatever. Just a good community. And when you consider the cost, literally less than a cup of coffee per week for the price, I think it's a very fair value for your dollar. So check it out again at ClayTrader.com. Thanks for listening, and hopefully you learned something.